Hello Kuya JV, si Nigel to sa Northside Mitsubishi, and today I'll be showing you a quick video of this 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander GT Premium. Let's go check it out po. So up close, as you can see po, it has a power folding side mirrors and LED DRLs here. Sa front naman, the previous owner already pre-installed the emblem po dito with the block heater already installed. Medyo dusty lang siya ng konti kuya, hindi pa siya nahugasan. But this one is in graphite gray. 20-inch alloy rims po on the side. There's a side profile of the car, and it's a black roof trim, so it's really the top trim model sa Outlander 2024. Keyless entry po dito, and this is the inside. Full semi-aniline leather seats here. Powered seats po siya with panoramic sunroof all the way there. Push start button here. 12.3 digital gauge display po siya dito, and 9-inch Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down here naman po, as you can see, is your climate control system, heated wipers, heated seats, and heated steering wheel here, and wireless charging under here. Currently, it's got 30,447 kilometers, as you can see. Meron po siyang ambient lighting over here, and memory seating over here as well. Tapos Bose sound system all around the vehicle. Not sure if you can see that. Meron po siyang heads-up display doon. Let me focus it. There you go. As you can see, projected to the windshield. Tapos my pilot assist. Ayan po, nakikita nyo naman po sa screen. It corresponds there. Auto dimming na rear view. Let's check out the back. Dito ay po yung likod. So semi-aniline leather seats din siya. 60-40 split kapag may kailangan po ilagay na baggage dito sa likod to make more space. May sunshades din po siya na built in dito po sa doors sa rears, as you can see. Tapos third climate control here, and tapos yung heated seats din dito sa likod, which is always nice. That's the sunroof. Ito naman po yung likod. So ito po yung third row seats niya. It's already been folded flat down. Tapos kapag gusto niyo pong i-fold down yung second row seats, you can just pull that tab here po. And so does the other one. So marami na po siyang yung space dyan sa likod. Tapos power liftgate. There you go. Back profile na sakyan, all season tires all around, all-wheel drive, 10 years warranty po siya, and powertrain or 160k, so you have plenty amount kasi 30,000 kilometers pa lang siya. Ito yung sakyan, full LEDs in the front, that's your sensors right there, tsaka 360 camera. Ito po siya, 360 camera here. You can see there po, medyo malinaw. Tsaka 6 different drive modes. Dito naman po yun sa likod. So there's Eco, Normal, Tarmac, Mud, and Gravel. So that's the 2024 Outlander GT Premium Black Roof. So pag may tanong po sila, let me know. I might have forgotten some features there. But this is Nigel po. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Yan po yung sakyan. Napakatipid sa gas, and thank you for watching.